Time to start the swing set on the playground. So I'm gonna go get my van, drive it around, and we'll try to knock that out. Now.
Up there with them.
These poles were left on our property when we bought the house, and I knew they'd come in handy. They're like 25 feet long, but I'm gonna use this as the beam. Not really a fan of how far they stick past, but I'm kind of afraid to cut them off just yet. Now the fun part is going to be putting it up there. And this thing is not light.